For question 9.2, most of you could write down the definition of private property rights, which includes the exclusive right to use, exclusive right to derive income, and the right to transfer. And most of you know that the private property rights are strengthened because the right to derive income is strengthened. But the explanation part is not perfect. So most of you answer something like this. You say that the property owners can rent out their flats now. This is not correct. Why this is not correct? Because let me ask you this question. In the past, without the Airbnb, can the property owners rent out their flats? Yes, they can rent out their flats, right? But not to tourists, but to local people. They can rent out their flats. Now with the Airbnb, can the property owners rent out their flats? Of course, yes, they can rent out their flats, maybe to local people, maybe to tourists using the Airbnb. And that's why if you just tell me that they can rent out the flats, actually, I can't figure out any difference, right? So they could do so in the past, they can also do so now. Why strengthened? Then you need to explain by pointing out the difference. What is the difference? The difference is that in the past, they can only rent out to local people, right? They cannot rent out to tourists on short-term basis. At least they have to rent out for a month, but they can't rent out less than 1 month. This is outlawed to do so. And that's why for tourists, they will only stay for like a few days, right? And that's why if they couldn't rent out less than 1 month, they couldn't rent out to the tourists. But now, if Airbnb is really legalized, they can rent out to local people plus also the tourists on short-term basis. You need to figure out this difference so as to explain why the right to derive income is strengthened. Don't just tell me that they can rent out because they could also do so in the past.